And you know what, guys? Kailan usually nagtitipid tong mga CAD pairs? Kailan nagmi-mean revert? Or kailan bumabalik? Example, bumabagsak. Kailan siya ulit ba aangat? Anong session? New York session, which is ngayon. Okay, kasi yung move niya usually, nakukuha na niya during the London, binabalik niya kahit kalahati during New York session. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-level 5 si Izanagi or level 7, whatever na CAD pair, si Shadow, dito ka maghanap ng posisyon before the New York session. Before 8 o'clock, before 9 o'clock. Because most of the time, mini-mean revert niya. So, ibig sabihin, if you're gonna have Izanagi now, better to start it to add funds during Q4 because the market has a volatility but mean reverting. Okay, nagkakaroon siya ng movement, nagkakaroon siya ng galaw, pero balancing. 'Di ba? Hindi lumilipad. Yung strategy ni Izanagi is very fitting between Q4, October, up to March. Kaya, nakita ko yung account ni Art, nakita ko yung account ni Al Abaw, sumisipa yung performance nila during this period. So, you have the back testing, may forward testing ka pa, o ewan ko na lang, di ka kumita. The question is, ready ka ba? Kung ready ka kumita, nag-aral ka ba? Anong ginamit mo? Paano mo inaral si Izanagi? Para mo inaral si Shadow? O kung, syempre, passive ka lang, hanggang doon lang talaga yun. Hindi mo mailalaki yung capital mo. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng confidence maglagay ng more capital. Kasi hindi ka ready eh. Kasi nakaka-copy trade ka lang or passive ka lang. Hindi ka talaga nag-aalat ng more time. Pero, if you really wanted to make this serious, I'm giving you how the market behaves during this period.